Modern Toyota vehicles feature a simplified single-panel infotainment system that consolidates multiple functions into one main display. Finding the compass function is straightforward once you know where to look. The first step is simple. Touch the main display screen to activate the infotainment system. This will bring up the main menu interface where you can access various vehicle functions. Once the menu appears, look for icons related to navigation, information, or vehicle setup. These are typically labeled as info, setup, or may include navigation symbols. The compass function is integrated within one of these menu sections. In many Toyota models, you'll find the compass function within the vehicle settings menu or information display. This is often located in the instrument cluster or can be accessed through the main infotainment screen settings menu. The compass function is typically integrated alongside trip computer functions. In some Toyota models, directional information may be displayed directly on the main screen, while in others it's found within the vehicle information or trip computer menus. If you have trouble locating the compass function in your specific Toyota model, consult your owner's manual for detailed instructions, visit the official Toyota website, or contact your local Toyota dealer for assistance. Each model year may have slight variations in menu organization. Toyota compass systems display directional information using standard compass points. The system shows 8 primary directions to help you navigate. Modern Toyota compass systems automatically calibrate themselves using GPS satellites and built-in vehicle sensors. This happens continuously while you drive, ensuring accurate directional readings without any manual intervention. If manual calibration is needed, your Toyota system will prompt you with on-screen instructions. The most common method involves driving your vehicle in a complete circle or figure-8 pattern until the compass aligns properly. Here are the 2 main driving patterns used for compass calibration. The circular pattern involves driving in a complete circle, while the figure-8 pattern provides more comprehensive calibration data. If you experience compass accuracy issues, your first resource should be your Toyota owner's manual. For additional assistance, Toyota customer service can provide specific guidance for your vehicle model and year.